Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to fix AREX0003's connection to game server lost AREX0003. If you are facing the connection to game server lost AREX0003 error in AREX0003, there's no need to worry. Here are some simple ways to fix it. First, check your internet connection. Make sure it's stable and fast. Restart your router if necessary and try launching the game again. Second, close and restart the game. Temporary bugs or server connection issues can trigger this error, and restarting often fixes it. Third, verify your game files. On PC, use Steam or your platform's Verify option to repair any corrupted or missing files. Fourth, disable your VPN, as it can sometimes block proper connection to the game servers. Finally, check if the game servers are down. If they are, you'll need to wait until they are back online. Following these steps carefully will help you fix the AREX0003 error and get back to playing AREX0003 smoothly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching!